Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're dealing with blurry stories on Facebook in 2025, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can ruin your posts and frustrate your followers. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through simple, effective fixes that will have your stories looking crystal clear in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause uploads to compress your images or videos, leading to blurriness. Make sure you're on a strong Wi-Fi network or have good mobile data before posting. Next, update your Facebook app. By 2025, Facebook might have rolled out new features and bug fixes, so head to your App Store, update to the latest version, and restart the app. Now, let's talk about upload settings. When you're creating a story, pay attention to the resolution. Facebook recommends using high-quality files, so if you're uploading from your phone, ensure your camera is set to at least 1080p. Avoid compressing files beforehand, let Facebook handle it. Another quick fix: clear your app's cache. Over time, cached data can build up and affect performance, so go to your phone settings, find the Facebook app, and clear the cache to refresh everything. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Also, double-check your file format. Stick to MP4 for videos and JPEG for images, as these are optimized for Facebook. For extra tips, make sure you're in a well-lit environment when recording, and use editing tools to enhance sharpness before uploading. There you have it. Easy steps to fix blurry stories on Facebook in 2025. Give these a try, and your posts will pop. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.